Good day, folks. This is Rhonda with the Quiznos Training Department here in Denver. Joining me today in the test kitchen is Greg Boudreau, and this is the first of 3 very short videos that will show you step-by-step procedures for Event 2 slow roasted pulled pork subs. Event 2 once again features 2 pulled pork subs, the Southern Style Barbecue pulled pork sub and the Spicy Chipotle Barbecue pulled pork sub. This particular video will show you step-by-step procedures on how to prepare the pork that will be used for both LTO subs. And just a quick word to franchise owners and managers. These videos are meant to be shared with team members. And that way it will ensure that the new LTO subs are being made correctly even when you're not in your restaurant. Greg will start by washing his hands for 20 seconds with soap and hot water, and the minimum water temperature should be 110 degrees. And next, let's have a look at the supplies you'll need to prepare the pulled pork. You'll need a scale, a whisk, dissolvable labels, scissors, a package of pulled pork, 2 1/6 pans, and 1 lid. You'll need a spatula and Quiznos barbecue sauce. Okay, let's start by placing the 1/6 pan on the scale, and we'll tare the scale to 0. Using the scissors, open the package of pork. Place the pork in the other 1/6 pan and just set it aside for the time being. Next, measure out 5 ounces pork juice into the 1/6 pan. Once this is done, tare the scale to 0 and add 3.5 ounces barbecue sauce to the pork juice. And then whisk the 2 ingredients together until they're well mixed. Next, take your body of pork out of the 1/6 pan and pull it into approximately 2-inch pieces. And the size will be approximate, but you'll want to end up with nice sized chunks of pork like what Greg has here, roughly 2 inches. Now, place the pork back into the 1/6 pan. Take the pork juice and the barbecue sauce mixture and pour it evenly over the pork. At this point, don't stir. Simply place the lid on the pork and microwave for 90 seconds. After 90 seconds, remove the pork from the microwave and check the temperature. And now it's time to give it a very gentle stir. Be careful not to break the chunks of pork. And then you'll microwave again for 90 seconds. You'll want to keep heating in increments of 90 seconds and then gently stirring until the temperature of the pork reaches 165 degrees. The reason for heating in increments of 90 seconds and then stirring is because the pork tends to stay juicier and more moist when heated in 90-second increments, followed by a gentle stir. And also, when checking the temp, be sure to check the center of several chunks of pork for an accurate temperature reading. So we're going to label the 1/6 pan with a dissolvable label, good for 6 hours. And then we're going to place the pork double panned into the cooker warmer unit. The prepared pork should be held between 140 and 160 degrees double panned. And that's it, folks. That's step-by-step instructions on how to prepare the pulled pork for both the Southern Style Barbecue pulled pork and the Spicy Chipotle Barbecue pulled pork. Please take a minute and test your pork prep knowledge by answering the following 5 questions. Question 1. When pulling the pork, it is best to use a chef's knife to cut the pork into 2-inch pieces. Choose one best answer. A, true, B, false. Question 2. When preparing 1 package of pork, the correct amount of pork juice is, choose one best answer, A, 3 ounces, B, 4 ounces, C, 5 ounces, D, 6 ounces. Question 3. When preparing 1 package of pork, the correct amount of barbecue sauce is, choose one best answer, A, 2.5 ounces, B, 3 ounces, C, 3.5 ounces, D, 4 ounces. Question 4. When preparing the pulled pork, you must heat the pork along with the pork juice and barbecue sauce mixture in increments of how many seconds until the pork reaches 165 degrees? Choose one best answer. A, 30 seconds, B, 60 seconds, C, 90 seconds, D, 120 seconds. Question 5. Once the prepared pork is double panned and placed on the cooker warmer unit, it is good for how many hours? Choose one best answer. A, 2 hours, B, 4 hours, C, 6 hours, D, 8 hours. And thanks very much for watching. Hope you have a really great day. Talk to you soon.